Let's do this. Let's do this real fast. Oh, okay. One bit. Oh shit, I'm going up. Only 999 more to go. Shout out Deja for my first bit ever. All right, but anyway, let's get started, chat. Let's get started, chat. So basically, I got a PR box. This a PR box opening. Cause this say you see the address name? It say soccer dad. So that's why I'm like, who the fuck sent me a package, bro? This not the tone package, even though we did. That's on the way too, but it should say AMP or tone or something on it. So we about to just open this together. It's a big box. I ain't gonna lie, it's not a big box, but it's definitely a decent sized box. So I don't know what it is, but you know what? You know what I low key think it is though. This ain't talking about one demerit for leaking my address. You right, bro. But if y'all gonna come or y'all gonna send me something, send me some money. Anyway, when I clip up the YouTube video, I'm just gonna cut that part out. My bad, I had to take a hit. I ain't smoked so that I can make this a good video, a good unboxing. Hold on, chat. What the fuck? Am I tripping? Or maybe it's upside down. Yeah, I am tripping. Good looks on the 2 bits, Ari. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Support who supports you. I appreciate it. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on, my bad, chat. Okay, with the streamer you emotes. Oh, chat. So remember, I was like, Axe is emailing me, but I don't know if it's real or not. And we was talking about it. It was real. It was fucking real, chat. So this is the box. Say Axe on the box. Yeah, just say Axe on the box, nothing else. Yep. It was fucking real, chat. Damn. That's why y'all gotta have y'all email in y'all bio. It definitely pays off to have y'all email in your bio. Okay. It's a little dusty. We got a card. It say Axe official sponsor, FIFA World Cup 2026. They wrote me a little note. The energy this summer has been unmatched, and Axe has been right there at the center of it. As an official partner of the FIFA World Cup 2026, our mission has been simple: keeping you fresh, confident, and smelling your best through every high energy moment, but staying on top of your game doesn't stop when the whistle blows. To keep that unstoppable momentum going, we're sending you 2 of our finest essentials designed to elevate your daily routine: Midnight Amber Body Spray and Coconut Crusader Body Wash. We want to keep the action going. Please be sure to tag AxeUS on TikTok or AxeUS on Instagram and include Gifted by Axe to enter our big prize draw and be in with a chance of winning some more goodies. Your friends at Axe. Okay. Good looks Ari on the bits too. I appreciate them all the bits and shit y'all sending, gang. I feel like a real Twitch stream. I feel like I'm going to Streamer U Europe next year. But alright, let me show y'all what's in here. So this how they boxed it up for me. Oh shit. This how they boxed it up for you, boy. Damn, good looks on a 10. Damn, you going bit crazy, gang. You might as well drop that sub. So that's how they boxed it up for you, boy. Bro, it's dusty as hell. It is dusty as hell. I got the Axe Midnight Amber. Little body spray. Duh, yeah, this shit had to be sitting in the what's the name, and they just boxed it up. But it ain't. I ain't tripping though. I ain't tripping. Shout out to Axe. Axe body wash. Good looks on the bits. Good looks on all the bits. Ari and Deja. Make sure I drop them subs too. But yeah, official 2026 sponsor. First PR box. Some Axe smell good. So what we thinking, chat? We on the way now. We getting PR boxes. Oh, okay. You see, it got the twist action top. See how that bitch pop up? Okay. Okay, that ain't working. Oh, it ain't bad. It ain't bad, chat. It smell like some. It's like one of those foresty smells. You know what I'm saying? It's like one of those foresty wood chips kind of smells. Does that make sense? Obviously, I'm not gonna. I'm just open the top and smell it. Oh yeah, it's straight. It's straight. Even though you know what's crazy, my son gonna end up using it all. He don't have no discipline when it comes to the body washes and the soap and all of that. Bro, talking about go take a shower right quick. What, bro? What you want me to put the fucking camera in the shower? You're not gonna be able to smell it. But shout out to Axe. Shout out to the people at Axe though. We appreciate that. Or should I redo it? I can't redo it because I know already what's the name. So I'm just gonna have to cut up the parts. But it's alright. Shout out to Axe on my first PR package. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that at all. I'm low key feeling a little famous right now, Trey. I'm feeling like I'm going to Europe next year for Streamer U.